Okay. Cam's gonna lead the way. Hey, brother.
You guys going up the high road?
Yeah, just quickly. Let's go in the snow. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, boy. Uh-oh. That's deep snow, Felix. That's crazy. Oh, man. What?
Why did you move here?
I think we got stuck, Felix. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I just don't know how I'm gonna pull it out. Yeah, the Kinect rope is not gonna do it. I got the winch. Oh. Yeah, you'll make that. Driving high. Yeah, in a minute.
Why did you stop?
Because Cam's behind us and he got stuck. There's Cam. This is nice. Yeah. I wish I was in high. Wow. No. This is just like a highway. I'm just worried about sliding. Look, move over. Okay, you can go ahead of me. Wow, this trail is way more used than the other one, that's for sure. Yeah, they can't go this fast in the summer. There we are, Felix. Take a little break. What? What's going on? Our neighbors are here. What are you guys up to? You having a good day? And then we'll hit a right before Pallet Trail. Going slow. Yeah. Oh. Wait, is this where we turn? Or do you want to just go to Pallet Trail real quick? I can't believe the groomer fits on this. that's a Neo. Huh. That's bigger than I thought it was. Yeah. Okay, what do you want to do? We'll just go back. I know. Oh shit, right here. Fuck. Oh. Ow. Okay.
What are you doing?
I just want to take a picture. Yeah, Felix. Oh, geez, my door! No. Oh, shit! Uh-oh. And then back. No, I think we have to go forward. I think I'm stuck. Yay! Okay, stop. Whoa! Made it home, buddy. She's a little snowy.